blue stands out in nature precisely because it is so rare. While greens, browns, and reds dominate landscapes, true blue is a biological luxury, difficult to produce and often more illusion than substance. This scarcity stems from fundamental challenges in chemistry and evolution, creating a fascinating story of adaptation and efficiency. At the chemical level, producing stable blue pigment is remarkably inefficient. Most plants and animals rely on chlorophyll for green hues and carotenoids for orange hues. But true blue pigments are vanishingly rare. Even blue flowers like morning glories achieve their color not through dedicated blue pigments but by modifying red anthocyanin molecules with pH shifts and metal ions, a biochemical workaround rather than a true blue solution. Faced with these chemical constraints, many organisms resort to physical tricks instead. Structural coloration, where microscopic shapes manipulate light, allow creatures to appear blue without producing blue pigments. Peacock feathers dazzle with brilliant blue because of intricate nanostructures that reflect blue wavelengths. The Morpho butterfly's radiant wings similarly owe their shimmer to precisely arranged scales that scatter light. Even human blue eyes result from light scattering in their iris, not from actual blue pigment. These structural solutions represent nature's way of cheating the system, achieving blue's visual effect without metabolic cost of pigment production. Yet some organisms do pay the high price of true blue, and their regions reveal the color's biological value. When blue appears as a genuine pigment, it often serves critical functions tied to survival or reproduction. Male bluebird and kingfishers display vibrant blue plumage to attract mates, signaling genetic fitness by demonstrating they can sustain such costly features. Poison dart frogs advertise their toxicity with vivid blue skin, turning rarity into warning. The blue-ringed octopus uses dark blue markings to startle predators, making blue's scarcity in marine environments an effective signal cutting through visual noise. Human history mirrors nature's struggle with blue. For centuries, the color was notoriously difficult to produce. Ancient artists prized ultramarine made from lapis lazuli and more valuable than gold. Egyptian blue, one of the first synthetic pigments, required precise high-temperature chemistry. Only with modern industrial processes did blue become widely accessible. Yet, its historical prestige persists in terms like royal blue. Blue's rarity highlights a fascinating tension between cost and function. Most organisms avoid the expense of true blue pigments using structural tricks instead. But when blue does appear naturally, it carries significance, signaling fitness, toxicity, or other essential traits. Whether through complex chemistry or clever physics, nature treats blue as a luxury, reserving it for those who can afford its price, making it not just a color, but a biological statement of evolutionary investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.